Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to skip time in building farm Roblox. If you want to skip time in building farm on Roblox, you can do so by using time skip items. So firstly open your Roblox. After that in the top there's this search icon, select that. And what you need to do is you need to type down building and search for it. And once you find this building farm, select that and select play. So next, we need to obtain a time skip item. You can earn time skip by redeeming active game codes or through special events and rewards. Over here, you can also find your time skip item here. And once activated, the time skip immediately advances across timers, letting you harvest sooner without waiting for the normal growth time. And for the best result, you need to save your time skip until your farm is full of valuable crops. And using it when you have higher value plants growing will usually give you much better rewards than using it early with common crops. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.